Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create an update book form in our React.js application. So let's get started. As you can see, a post book component in our React.js application. From this component, I'm going to copy the code. So first, let me copy the use state for our conditions, genre, book, and the loading. So let me copy these. Let me add inside the update book component. As you can see, the use state for our conditions, genre, book, and the loading. Now after that, let me copy the use snack bar and use navigate hooks. Let me add inside the update book component. Now after that, let me copy the handle input change and handle submit method. Let me add inside the update book function. For now, let me comment this. Now after that, I'm going to copy the HTML code from a post book component where we have a tags for a theme provider and the backdrop. So let me copy this. Let me add inside the return statement of a update book component. After that, I'm going to copy the imports. Let me add on the top of the update book function. Now as you can see, I use states for a condition, genre, book, and the loading. So first of all, I'm going to update a book state where we have a one more field for a status that is by default an empty quotes. Now after that, let me add here the use state for a statuses. The statuses are available and sold. After that, I'm going to update the HTML code where we have a caption of the form update book. After that, let me update the avatar tag where we have an icon edit. After that, we have a text field for a image URL, title, author, description, price, drop down for a genre, drop down for a condition, and the last input that for a addition. Now after the addition, let me add here the drop down to select a status. So as you can see, a form control tag. Inside this we have a input label with the caption select status. Inside this we have a select tag. On this we have a property value that we use to set the default value of the book.status. After that we have a on change event. On this event we are calling it the function that is a handle input change. This function will use to clone the input value to the use state that we have book. As you can see, a use state. Inside this we have a tag for a menu item. On this we are calling it the use state that is a statuses that we'll use to get the status one by one from a statuses use state. As you can see, inside this we have a tag for a menu item. On the menu item tag we have a property key to make this menu item unique. The value property will use to send the drop down value to the backend, and this is the label for showing purpose. After that we have a button with the caption post book. Let me update this. So it will be update book. Inside the button tag, we are checking here the loading value. If loading has true, then we have to show a loader on the button. Otherwise, we will show here the caption that is a update book. On this button tag, we have a property disabled. On this, we are calling here the book use state. If these are null, then we have to disable the button. So on this, let me add one more field where we have to check if a book.status. At the last, we have a backdrop tag that we'll use to show the loader on the screen when loading has true. Now you can take a look of the update book component. Now let's go back to the browser. As you can see, update book form where we have these following fields. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.